guys, good day and welcome to another weekly update, episode 67. Last week we were working on all this bag, and I said I'm not going to finish it, so I'm going to finish this bag this week, this 6 bag. You guys will see the one we've done last week. I will show you them in a short period of time, and this is this particular one. This I was unable to do it last week because of the lock I have to fix before I cover all this, and already I have went to the delivery has arrived, and I just collect the items. So let's bring them out and see. So as you can see, here are those lock. The lock we'll be using for the bag. So very soon you are going to see them. So the lock is very beautiful, and I think the lid is also inside. So here's another one. This is how the lid is going to be. So this is the lock. So when we start working with them, you will see more of the lock and see how they are looking. And the lock and the chain are looking alike. This is the chain we'll be using, and the eyelet as well. So all this I'll be time-lapsing it to fix everything, and you'll see everything as it's going. So that's the starting of this week update. So for those of you who are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. When you subscribe, remember to also turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video on the channel. Leave in the comment section down below what you think on this, and if you have any other projects you want us to do on this channel, you can let me know in the comment section. So guys, make sure to give this video a giant thumbs up and watch this to the end, so you will be updated and know what we are doing or how we make this particular bag. So guys, see you in the time lapse. Thank you guys for watching, and we shall continue with the rest of the making. So good morning guys, welcome to the continuation of the weekly update. So the last time I vlog, we have done most of this, but we've not put the eyelet. We just did the back, which is the zip here, and we cover here. So I have started work. I came to the office, the studio very early today, so I've punched all the hole for the eyelet. As you can see, the eyelet are well done on all the 6 bags. This is 3, this is 1 I'm done with already, and this is 2 here. This is 2 here I laid down. So right now, as you can see, I just take some shots picture of these accessories. So this is accessory I showed you earlier that I just went to collect the wavy, and right now I will continue with the rest of the work, and finger crossed I should be able to finish this today, but if I can, probably it will be tomorrow. But I'm going to try my best now to time lapse it so that you guys can see a little bit of the work. So this particular one has been fixed already. It's just for me to attach the 2 sides to it and the chain, and our bag is done. As you can see, this is the bottom plate, and I will also apply gum to this place and cover it. So this is our bag for you. This is how everything is going to look. So you guys should stay tuned to watch this process to the end. So guys, I'm going to see you at the continuation of this video. So let me time lapse it so that you guys can be updated on what I'm doing so far. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Also, when you subscribe, don't also forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be one of the first people to get notified when we upload a new video on this channel. Give this video a giant thumbs up if you do enjoy it. For those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with people who know it might be of help to them. And let's proceed with the rest of the activities, which is the time lapse, and see how I make these bags. Don't also forget that I have not shown you this side. So I have finished joining all the sides to the bottom, which is the gusset. Everything is well fixed now, so it's just for me to start assembling the bag and fix the chain. So this is for the 6 bag. So let me drop them here, and the chain is also here as well. So finger crossed I should be able to finish this today, but if I can, you will see it tomorrow. but there is a lot of work, a lot of tons of work I need to do today. So probably once I'm done with the work, we'll proceed. Okay, I will do a little bit of this anyway. I stop. Once I'm going out, I will let you guys see and we'll continue with the rest of it. So I just say I should update you on this particular one. So guys, you guys have seen what I am doing so far. As you can see, I'm trying to fix the other side of the lock, and this is the main front. So the back, I'm trying to tight it very well. So once I did that, I'm going to cover it with lining later. But now like this, I want to do the last one because I'm already late for the place I'm going to. So I'll just do this last one and I'll be leaving. So probably if I come back early to finish this work today, if I cannot, it will be tomorrow then, or maybe next, or within the week. I will just try my best to finish it. As you can see, those are everything, and it's just one that is remaining, the one you can see on the decks there. So guys, let's continue with the time lapse and we shall see what will happen before I leave the shop. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with all this one. I just arranged them here. The last one I say I'll be doing, you see the way I make it, I'm done with it. So by the way, I'll be going out right now. So later on we'll continue the rest of the activities. Probably later on, or if I can do this to be other days, or I'll still show you the process as everything will go as to from this step, from this level to the finishing. And by the way, you can watch the last week update, which is episode 66. We started from there, so you see all the most of the process. So this is episode 67. So this is the continuation of the weekly update. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you as we proceed the rest of the video. Go right now. So see you guys later. Hello guys, welcome to the continuation of the weekly update. So I told you the last time I vlogged that I will continue the making of the bag after a few days and I will show you. So by the way, as you can see, these are all the lids, and this one I just finished applying gum. I just left them since that day, but today I continue with it. This where they are, and these are the liner I'll be using to cover them. But right now I'm going to just turn my camera to show you guys. So how you guys been doing? I hope you guys are all doing well. So for the new people that just subscribed to the channel, we really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for subscribing. For those who are yet to subscribe, please do subscribe. And when you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell. A lot of you which are watching this video are not subscribed. 70 something percent or 60 something percent of the people that watch this video are not subscribed, but they keep coming back to watch the video. So why? If they keep coming back, there's something in the channel they really want, but I don't know, maybe they are afraid to subscribe. So please, you guys should subscribe. So enough talking, let me turn my camera and show you guys. As I've said as you can see, they are looking beautiful. Here are they, very shiny. And this one I just apply gum to them. As you can see, these are the back, and these are other sides, the lining. So once I finish this now, I will start assembling them, but I'm going to show you the time lapse of this particular one now once I start doing it. So stay tuned to watch that. And I think that is just all for now, except my desk is filled up just as I said before, but soon, finger crossed, I should be clearing these decks, and even the inside, those back there, I should be clearing them very very soon. By God grace, I pray so. I should, I am supposed to stop promising and failing. No, I don't promise people and fail. Even my clients that I work for know. But on making video on this channel, I promise and fail you guys. Maybe if I'm going to market, I will say I will film. When I get there, I will even forget to film. But I still have my camera. I won't even remember to bring it out. It's later on when I get back to the studio, I will now remember. So guys, enough talking. Let me start the work so I can show you the time lapse of all the activities. And we shall see you guys later. On the other side, I mean. So guys, I just finished the covering of this, as you can see from the time lapse. So right now I want to first take this to the machine and start sewing, because I'm using black thread, and all this one too, I need to use black thread for the bottom. So I'll first do this, then use the black thread to continue this. So guys, I'll also do time lapse of that so you guys can see what I'm up to so far. So continue watching it to the end so you can learn how to make this particular project, or how we make ours. So guys, as you can see, you see from the time lapse that I just finished this. Actually the first one I didn't film it. I just do it and see how it turn out. Then this is the one you just saw right now. So I will finish the rest, which are the sky blue there, or whatever they call it, the blue there, the two that is remaining. So once I finish it, I'll still time lapse that so you guys can see. Then when I come back, we'll talk more a little bit about this particular one, that the pattern is a little bit shift, and the same thing applicable to the second one. So that is a mistake from the beginning when I was sewing, because the way this pattern was made, one side is wider than the other side. As you can see, this is wider than this. So instead of me, I joined this particular cover together to sew in one place. So instead of me to do the same thing, to join the cover and the front together and make on the same pattern, I did mistake. So I just sewed them, and as you can see, I joined this small side to the small side, while big side to this big side. So from there, the pattern can never be straight. So guys, that's just it. Let me finish the rest of it and fix the chain so you guys can see how the bag turns out. So guys, after I finish it from the time lapse I was supposed to show you, but I just decided to fix the chain first. But now I'm going to open one and join them together for all of them. So right now what I'm trying to do is earlier when I made this 2 days ago, I just put 2 screws. So I didn't put the third and the fourth one. That is what I'm trying to do. I've put for this 4. So I'm just putting this one right now. I just decided to show you, and I'll be also fixing the last one. So this particular one is done this way. After I do it like this, I lock it. I just put the lock and keep the bag aside. And this is the last one I'll be putting the screw. Pardon me, I'm using my hand to hold the camera instead of putting the camera on the tripod. So as you can see, this one, the screw is not there. I will just put this. I hold it in place. The same thing to the side. So I'm done with inserting the screw. Since I'm done with inserting the screw, right now I'm just going to keep the bag, all of them aside, and I'll start fixing my chain. So I hope you guys like what you are seeing. So let me finish them up so I can show you the finished product after the chain has been fixed. So guys, that's them. Let me just finish it up, then I'll show you guys the out product. So guys, I'm done with the bag. All I have fixed the chain. I was supposed to even show you how I fixed the chain with the tools, because this is a heavy duty chain. It's not that big, but it's a very heavy chain. So I finished fixing everything. So that's the bag for you guys. I hope you guys loved the video. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in next week update. Expect a lot of things to happen on this channel, a lot of good content to come. So hopefully, finger crossed, we'll be doing a lot of tutorial and learn with me episode coming very soon. Thank you guys for watching, and bye for now.